Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today I'm back in Atlantic City, right off the Atlantic City boardwalk. I am in the parking garage of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, which used to be the Trump Taj Mahal. I was comped a room here tonight, and I am going to give you guys a room tour. When I booked the room, I booked it for the North Tower. I haven't been to the North Tower in almost a year, and it's been a while since I've obviously done a room tour there. I was just in the South Tower last week. I did a room tour. That hasn't been uploaded yet, but I did have one in the can from the South Tower, so I thought it was time that I go to the North Tower and do a room tour there this week. But, as you will see, things did not work out as planned. Yeah, you guys ready? Come on, we're at the Hard Rock. Let's get our rock on tonight. All right, here we go. So the first thing I do when I go to any hotel and casino, whether it's Atlantic City or Las Vegas, is as soon as I walk through the doors, I head to that kiosk with my rewards card to see if I have anything due to me. Here at the Hard Rock, it's called the Wild Card. So I have my Wild Card in hand. I'm going to head over to those kiosks by the escalators and see if I have any comps for tonight. As I said, I was here last week. I had a $50 dinner comp, and I was just so busy recording that I never got an opportunity to use that. So it's probably gone by now, but it never hurts to check. And like I said, always the first thing you do when you walk into a casino is go to that kiosk and see if you have anything there for you. So the only thing I had on my card was $20 in slot play, so I may use those tonight if I have the time. If not, maybe they'll disappear. Maybe they'll be here when I come back next week. We'll see. But I'm grateful for that, if anything. So I'm going to walk past the lobby bar here, which is one of my favorite lounges, by the way, in Atlantic City. They have great live acts. I don't know who books these acts. They're not people probably that you've heard of before, but they're really good rock and roll acts. And I'm going to head straight towards the front desk or the registration area to see if I can get in my room. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, a little early, but the Hard Rock never gives me a hassle about checking in a little early. Now, as you can see, there's a line here. There's always a line, it seems, at the Hard Rock, but that's only because it's popular. The good thing is that this place is fully staffed. I mean, every station at this front desk is manned. There's an expediter, for lack of a better word, I guess, making sure things are running smoothly, who goes where next, and so on and so forth. You're greeted with a smile, very good customer service, and never an issue here. Even though there's a line, it moves very quickly. And here's where things got just a little bit weird. When I was checking in, the friendly person behind the counter said, "We'd like to upgrade you in the South Tower." And I explained that I'd really like to be in the North Tower. Obviously, I didn't tell her, but again, I haven't been there in a year. I wanted to do a recording of this North Tower room. And she said, "That's fine if that's what you want, but we have a really nice suite for you in the South Tower, the Apollo Suite on the 38th floor. It's a corner suite with a balcony ocean view." And, well, I said, okay, I'll take that. Of course, first I had to think about it for a millisecond. The weather here today in Atlantic City, to sum it up, well, not so good. I don't know what it is with my luck lately. This time of year when Atlantic City is ramping up, I'm usually here at least once a week, probably sometimes twice a week. And I just haven't had luck lately. It's either raining or foggy or one thing or another. And then, of course, when I wake up and I'm ready to go home, the sun's back out. So I don't get it. I just haven't been lucky here. And I'm not lucky here today either with regards to weather. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. So in all my travels here on the New York channel, I never made it to the end of a hotel hallway, which is the sign of success. And not only that, but when it comes to hotel rooms, 2 doors are always better than 1. I think I hit a jackpot here. Let's check out the Apollo Oceanfront with balcony suite here on the 38th floor at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Now, if you guys follow me in the community room here on the New York channel, you know I did a live show here from the Apollo Suite at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and you guys fell in love with this suite. It was a rough tour because I did it from my laptop, but you got to see some raw video of this place, and the immediate feedback from you guys was it was fantastic. And well, one of the things I noticed when I walk into a room is the ceilings and the floors, and this room had, or this suite I should say, has fantastic ceilings, the details, the indirect lighting. I mean, no detail was overlooked here with regards to decor, lighting, cleanliness. Everything as far as the furniture was top notch. Nothing was scratched or worn or anything like that. And you guys even commented during the live show. If you follow the community room, you were on that live show. but you commented on that live show that everything looked fantastic, and I have to tell you, it really did. And speaking of live shows, if you haven't checked out the community room, haven't subscribed to the New York channel, or hit that notification bell, then you missed the live show, because that's how you're going to find out about them. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and check that community room or the community tab here on the New York channel often, and you'll catch all the live from New York shows like the one I had here yesterday, where everyone got a raw footage tour of this hotel and suite. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that Thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. Beauty is in the details here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City, including the embroidered guitars on the pillowcases and the guitars, the white on white guitars, I should say. If you don't really look close, you're not going to see them on the duvet covers here on the bedding. So that's pretty much it for the Apollo Suite here on the 38th floor of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino with a 1-bedroom, 2-bath, balcony, oceanfront. I really appreciate the upgrade, Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and I'm sure other people do too when you are as gracious as you are to them as you were to me today. Lots more coming from the New York channel, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.